Which one of these two is harder for a hacker to crack? This one, obviously, but what if I said both are equally difficult? Let me explain what I'm saying. You see, how strong a password is measured by the length of the password and the total number of symbols you are using. For example, if you are creating an 8-character password just by using small letters of the English alphabet, then the number of different possible passwords is 26 to the power of 8. If you also include capital letters, then the different possible passwords are 52 to the power of 8. If you use numbers, then it is 62 to the power of 8. If you include special characters, then it would be 94 to the power of 8 different possible passwords in most cases. You see, every time you add new symbols, the total possible passwords increases by a lot. So the hacker has to check more passwords and the password becomes harder to crack, hence more strong. However, there is also one thing we should consider for an optimal password. That is, the password has to be random. It shouldn't have been used another time. If we purely randomly construct an 8-digit password, the probability of that being this or that is the same. Also, for the hacker, they would have the same expectation that the password might be this or that, so it would be equally as much harder. But the problem is, no hacker ever randomly checks passwords. What they use is a dictionary of huge passwords sorted from most used to least. These passwords are gathered from leaked and hacked databases. Now, many people use this password for this account. So the probability of this password being on the dictionary or at the top of the dictionary is pretty high. It is also pretty high probability that this password doesn't exist on that dictionary at all. So yes, this password is probably harder to crack. But theoretically speaking, both passwords are equally as strong if we take into consideration how much time it would take to crack them if cracked just by random guessing.